chapter derivative formula. Derivative of x raised to n x raised to n minus 1 x raised to n minus 1. Example: find dy by dx if y is equal to x raised to 5 by formula derivative of x raised to n x raised to n minus 1, derivative of x raised to 5. Here n is 5, so 5 x raised to 5 minus 1, 5 x raised to 4. This is derivative of. Here example: find dy by dx if y is equal to x raised to 9 by 4 x raised to 9 by 4 by formula derivative of x raised to n x raised to n minus 1. Hence derivative of x raised to 9 by 4. Here 9 by 4, n is 9 by 4, x raised to 9 by 4 minus 1, x 9 by 4. Here LCM cross multiple by 4 by 4, 9 by 4 x raised to 5 by 4. This is derivative of x raised to x raised to 9 by 4. Find dy by dx if y is equal to x cube plus x raised to half plus 6x raised to minus 8. Y is equal to x cube x raised to 1 by 2 6x raised to minus 8 by addition formula. If y is equal to u plus v plus w dash dash, then dy by dx is equal to derivative of u plus derivative of v plus derivative of w and so on. Here y dy by dx is equal to, here derivative of x cube plus x raised to half plus 6x raised to minus 8 by addition formula derivative of x cube derivative of x raised to half plus 6 derivative of x raised to minus 8 by formula derivative of x raised to n may be fraction, may be negative, and x raised to n minus 1. Here 3x raised to 3 minus 1, half x raised to half minus 1, 6 outside, minus 8 x raised to minus 8 minus 1, 3 x square half x raised to, take LCM, plus minus 48 multiply x raised to minus 9, 3 x square 1 by 2 x raised to minus half minus 48 x raised to minus 9. This is derivative of given example. Derivative of given example. By formula, derivative of e raised to mx is equal to m e raised to mx. Find dy by dx if y is equal to e raised to 3x. Formula, derivative of e raised to mx, m e raised to mx. Here derivative of e raised to 3x, here 3 e raised to 3x is answer. Find dy by dx if y is equal to e raised to 4x plus e raised to minus 6x plus x raised to 9. Here y is equal to e raised to 4x, e raised to minus 6x, x raised to 9. Hence, dy by dx is equal to derivative of every term, derivative of every term, reason addition rule, addition rule. By formula, derivative of x raised to n x raised to n minus 1, derivative of e raised to mx, m e raised to mx. Answer 4 e raised to 4x. Here m is 4, 4 and 4 plus, here minus 6 e raised to minus 6x, put m is here minus 6 plus x raised to n formula minus 9 x raised to minus 9 minus 1, 4 e raised to 4x minus 6 e raised to minus 6x minus 9 x raised to minus 10. This is derivative of given example. Derivative of given example. Sin mx, m cos mx, cos mx minus m sin nx. Find dy by dx if y is equal to sin 4x, y is equal to sin 4x. Hence, dy by dx is equal to 4 cos 4x. By formula, sin mx, m is 4, so write here 4 cos 4x. If y is equal to cos 2x plus sin 4x या 5x, find dy by dx. Y is equal to cos 2x sin 5x hence take derivative with respect to x on both sides. Derivative of y cos 2x sin 5x. Addition rule, cos 2x sin 5x by formula cos mx minus m sin mx minus 2 cos 2x sin mx. Here m is 5 cos 5x. By addition rule, take separate derivative. By addition rule, take separate derivative. Now here derivative of x raised to n x raised to n minus 1, derivative of e raised to mx m e raised to mx. Example, find derivative of y with respect to x, means d by dx. Differentiate y with respect to x, where y is equal to x raised to 7 by 2 plus e raised to e raised to 9x plus sin 7x cos 2x. Here addition rule, y is equal to x raised to 7 by 2 9x sin 7x cos 2x. By addition rule, take separate derivative. Take separate derivative. Derivative of y with respect to x. Derivative of x raised to 7 by 2. Derivative of e raised to 9x. Derivative of sin 7x and derivative of cos 2x. Here by formula x raised to n x raised to n minus 1, n is 7 by 2. 7 by 2 x raised to 7 by 2 minus 1 x raised to n formula plus e raised to mx into m. M is 9 plus sin mx m cos mx. M is 7 cos mx. M is 7 cos mx. So here minus 2 sin 2x. Sin derivative cos derivative minus sin derivative cos derivative minus sin, cos derivative minus sin.